good? We back with my concrete man car. Man, this is the second time I painted it, man. First time the paint was off a little bit. It was like purplish, but now it's on the brown money. It's on the money. Yeah. Had to wrap the pieces over. I took to the paint store. They had used the piece I wrapped to test the paint. I was like, damn. I had to do that over. And I had to paint all that over. Then I had to paint this column. But the old spray kind of out the S, so I'm about to get ready to untape all that and clean the wires and start putting the back half of the car together and the carpet in. Oh, I gotta wrap the dash. You want the dash wrap? Lower dash. Wrap all that. But yeah, I record y'all as I go. I'm trying to get this carpet down tonight. The lower dashboard usually I paint and I have to wait for it to harden, but it's getting wrapped. So as soon as it's done, I can start putting back half of the car together. So I'm on both sides, back and forth, man. So keep y'all posted. All right, we got the batteries all wired up. And I got some little more cleaning to do on this side. And this power and ground for over here. Got to put a fuse right here. And yeah. Yes, sir. Well, and then I need another window switch. Then I can work on putting this back half together. I'll knock half the list down in 24 hours, a little less than 24 hours. I'm on. different this time. Finally back, man. I ain't do no time-lapse footage of this one, man. We got a rear panel back here. Let me cut it on. Show y'all some with the lights, man. And we got top panels on the dash. Bow. Put it back. Look. What is that? Dang. That boy go. And then with the car off. Lights come on. Interior come on. Boom. Yo. Trunk too. Dash, trunk. But I ain't finished the trunk yet. I ain't need no hold y'all. Show y'all something. 74 Vert. Alright, then same thing back there. Yes, sir. Yo. Self-made the remix. Man, I ain't have time for the other Sandman pedal on. They'll be here in like 2 minutes. We'll play some music for Instagram. So y'all see it, man.
Left pocket full of pink fizzies, right pocket got blues in it. Lord send them packs to me, I know what to do with it. $1,000 shoes, I'm walking on a damn out. He ain't running out of bag, he running it down. Mr. Swing a Dope, Mr. Beat the Road. Stepping on they throat. I'm Mr. Ride For It, I'm Mr. Ain't Going. He Mr. Pump Favor, I'm Mr. Pot Scraper. The way I'm driving it, I just might wreck or something. Why would I chase a bitch? I can go chase a check or something. Nigga, you talk about no money, nigga, burn up, nigga. Fucking with it, yeah, I got me turned up, nigga. Nigga, too serious, walking a bitch, I can go chase a check or something. Nigga, you talk about no money, nigga, burn up, nigga. Fucking with it, yeah, I got me turned up, nigga. Nigga, too serious, walking the club and make a man. All this water on my chest, nigga. I ain't settling for less. I ain't DJ Khaled, baby, but you know we the best. Nigga, I ain't fucking on. I done seen 100 ball, flip phone. Trap doing somersault, trap doing hurdle, nigga. Your phone